We speak Afrikaans or English to Engels is Afrikaans. Afrikaans is to be Afrikaans.
Of course.
So let's see what you can do. Do that now.
Hey! Hey Boeta!
Well done.
Hoe ervaar jy het?
Baie.
Is het?
Baie.
Leer jy daarom iets by hom?
Baie. Wait te doen.
Beter as jy by my sou leer.
Ja, baie.
Lees is hy eerlik. Nee, oké. Nee, jy doen het goed. Het jy al by pivots begin of enigiets soos daai? Nog steeds nog nie daai.
Ons steer nou net om die bike.
Te rou tyd.
Ja.
Move it.
Ja, so
Of out-
don't get left behind on the foot shot. You go the wrong way.
Something as easy as that. Is eintlik moeilik.
Asseblief.
Ja, dis reg. Kyk daar. It's not as easy as it looks.
Like we're getting donuts going on. It's a start.
Ja, nee. Sê hoe voel jy al bietjie beter? Ag, hy doen baie nice one-on-one coaching of en so aan. So ervaar jy dit. Is nou 'n bietjie beter dat die groep bietjie gesplit het. Nee, is goed my vriend. Maar ewen soos ons sê, om net om 'n pivot soos daai te trek of 'n donut soos daai te trek en jou bike net te skuif. Lyk baie makliker as mense dink dit is. En die ding is, dis nog hierdie is waar jy die maklikste kan doen in my opinie. Sodra jy dit op gras en goed gaan doen, dan begin jy byt. Dan moet jy hom 'n bietjie meer laat lê en 'n bietjie meer poeier gee. Maar sodra jy 'n halfte van die draai uit het, begin jy jou clutch intrek. Anders as hy gaan byt en dan gaan hy gaan, maar jy sal voel as hy voel hy wil onderuit gaan, trek die clutch. Maar sja Boeta, trots op jou. Well done. Hey bro. Hoe is die training?
Ja, lekker.
Hoe is die eenvoudige goeders is so maklik so wat lyk hier, hoor. Flip en hel.
Ja, dit is wel lekker maklik lyk.
Ja nee, want as jy dit so kyk dan lyk dit ag, dis net 'n bietjie opdraande.
Ja.
Hey, pink and purple op sy
Ja.
side.
Ja.
Love you pink.
Baie dankie.
Geniet
Hy
jy?
wil
Ja.
nou 'n bietjie van up downs.
Ja.
Asseblief, for your video.
Ja,
You're
straks.
going to be famous.
But I'm thinking I like the clutch control idea.
Listen, yeah, doing your donut and doing that. Because when I'm not as big as those other guys, I've got more technique. Matthew Green was very small till he was 17 or 18.
Hmm?
He had to learn all the technique because he couldn't scrub. So learn what you're doing now is a huge improvement. If you take that away from today,
Ja.
now you're not just a passenger on your bike. You sort of know, okay, this is what I have to do. I'm going to walk the dog. I know to turn my bike. You start enjoying your day.
Yeah.
I can't wait for the next weekend.
It's like when you're driving a car, you know when you get to the robot what you need to do. But now with clutch control, I have to still think what I'm going to do. Like, okay, I want to stay there. I want to go a little bit forward. I want to go a little bit back. So that's what I'm practicing.
For me.
Always. Camera never
That's
stops.
what you're practicing. So,
Yeah.
so I think the big thing from today is we've gone from, I'm going to say it again, being a passenger and you've got clutch control.
Yeah.
And you know where your clutch zone is, where your clutch takes. So you're going to start being able to get confidence and start riding, knowing how to do things and not just taking a
Yeah.
risk.
The other thing is, sorry, when I get to the top, then I start to feel like I'm falling.
Ja.
Is that where I need to start also going up the hill with my foot? Because it feels like my feet can't stay on the peg and
And
one
it's the same problem I have, so I slide back
Okay,
and then I get off the back,
okay,
or I walk next to the bike.
okay.
When I'm not tall enough. Often there's cliffs where all what happened at MP last year, the hole was longer, but the cliffs we rode to, like the Silver guy said, hey, the hill. I thought to myself, like, I had a little bit of respect for Silver Hills, but the gold was terrible. Then I got off and did what you were doing. So don't be scared of
Yeah, don't be scared to climb off. Be safe. Take it easy. There will always be a next time.
As long as that's why the biggest thing what I taught you today is I'm going to get the rest of the group up here, and as my helmet